It's so cute.
One of us has to use a little.
I'll use blue.
A little bit of lint on top of it.
What is gonna pee my pants? She's bullying me. It's just a shadow in the back. My nail got caught. Oh, you could take it.
Touch anything, so you gotta wait.
Yeah.
Okay, no matter
Me where it's like, and there's like a, that's you.
When you were here?
Yeah.
These are so cute. Cece's favorite fur coat store that she's obsessed with. Look, this one. It's so cool.
I would post them on TikTok.
Do I do it?
Oh, okay, I found them.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually not even that bad.
No, it's kind of bad. But your hair is like,
So we could all be in it.
that's so good. Like,
I know.
shout out 2,000 followers soon.
2,000.
Sorry.
Yes.
You're doing a giveaway.
We're doing a human giveaway.
Yeah.
Oh.
You are.
Don't
And I'm
say
winning
that.
the giveaway, but like nobody has to know. Nobody can know.
Lucy, would you ever go in the catacombs?
I don't really want to that much.
So no.
Not really.
We started in Brooklyn and then we went to Chinatown and now we're going to Harlem. Look, you both have like
What do you mean?
like tribal.
Oh yeah, I'm a tribal guy. She's fine line, and that shit is gonna wear off in like 5 years.
That's
Really?
the point.
Don't say that. Yeah, it is 4 a.m. We dismissed. I can't believe we've been sleeping up here in this attic. No, it's a loft. It's actually so nice. There's plants all over here, and like we're on this nice mattress, and we have this like flat screen that we were watching like scary movies.
Skull.
You can't even see it, dog. You just sound so crazy.
That's a little top hat.
Bro, we fell asleep at like 10 o'clock, and so we woke up at 4, and Cece got us water and churros. We'll probably chill for like a few hours until we decide to do something else. I like Audrey Hepburn. I want to give her like a long cigarette holder.
Those are.
We're leaving Harlem. We're going to Brooklyn.
Oh.
We've just been out and about. I know you have to be. Wait, see.
I was doing a date and washing my hair this morning.
It's actually cute. No, it was actually so cute.
But they're doing a pop-up right now in Soho.
Oh, really?
So they
Do you guys want to go check it out?
Yeah.
You guys want to go shopping?
Yeah.
My mom says hi.
I love your mom. Tell her I said hello. I'm trying to do the book thing right now.
You have the same problem.
Oh yeah. Your flight to Paris is when?
Friday.
Friday?
Yeah, at like 11 p.m.
11 p.m. Okay, got you. Oh,
no, the other one.
Yeah, make
The
that
one
shit
with
private,
she's
please. God.
showing her booty all the
Literally
time.
just my ass, yeah. Because that one's for like OnlyFans.
And I was like,
YouTube.
you didn't look at the good Instagram, Mom. You
Yeah,
didn't
she
look
looked
her
at.
art
She
account.
specifically fucking looked at the account I would never want her to look at. Like, please, I'm a star.
You go to account privacy and it says public and you go to here and you click.
No, look. That.
Oh.
So how do I fix that?
I know
You
how to
just
fix it.
Get it off business.
Thank God for social media. They're both social media experts. Are you not? You run Granny Za's social, and she runs Simple Life. Yeah.
Or should we look at the other food that's here?
No, can we? I'm gonna have some.
You wanna get this?
Yeah. We're gonna get like, I don't know, stuff.
We would eat shit.
Yeah, I'm not fucking doing that. Where's Lucy? Yeah, I wouldn't be able to. Cece wants to go ice skating.
Wants to go
I
where?
think it's a bad idea. I would fall.
Have you never ice skated
I'm not
before?
good at it. They have all these different hot chocolates. It is tiny as hell for $13.
Wait.
You do look high. Yeah.
Oh yeah, get in there. Okay.
I finished this in 1 second. And now we're getting cheesy pasta wheel, and then we're gonna go to dinner. Help, Cece.
What do you mean?
Bro.
Okay, everybody just.
Junie, yeah. Come on, let's do it together. Like, take this side and I'll take this side.
Okay,
so
wait, I got
hard.
my nail in here. Okay. And in the meantime. Try to get an order of them just so that we can have like stuff on our plate with the meat.
We can if you want.
Korean barbecue. I don't know where me and Cece are.
We entered the back rooms by accident.
What did you say?
We entered the back rooms by accident.
No, literally. I don't know where.
I'm just kidding, guys. Welcome. This is what could happen to you if you're as successful as me. Genie Bottom,
I like
as the manager.
I want to walk down the escalator. I want to walk around.
No, we can't. is he doing?
I'm gonna film him.
2 little ones?
They're just minis. And then what else? And then also Cece. So this is like the random.
We got a gingerbread one last one. How many cookies are you making?
Just right here, and it'll
I
kind
feel
of hit
like-
some shots.
It's gonna be like at least like 50. How many? 50. 50?
I feel like it'd be this.
I believe. Cookie time. Let me see if I have my Zippo on me. Do you have a Zippo? Collision expert. I love him. I love him.
It's like I want to like this is
Stand on your wall.
yeah, just like Granny's shit in the background. That's what we need more of. Is
We
Granny's.
need to. We actually have so many grandmothers that have walked into the store that look like their granny doll. I don't want anymore.
Now you're gonna take another bite. Yeah.
Because I even tried with this one last night, and I was just like,
No.
peppermints.
I'm gonna do this one.
I'll get everything ready for you, and I'll just hand it to you. I'll just hand everything to you. Oh, the only thing is I don't have salt, so we have to use Himalayan.
I thought you were the
See? That would be a cute, cool shot. Give her a pound bag. Yeah! Party! Party!
Why is so much?
Cece! Cece! Cece!
Just make it rain. Just make it rain a little bit.
Cece!
Crack it open.
We can make it rain.
Sal said he'd pay me $100 to go 10 vlogs and dance around
is
with
fucking
like
gross.
a granny doll sign.
8,000 for sure.
Or something, you know. It's the best.
I still have your book on my next to my flat.
That's awesome. Did I ever show you the photo book? Because you're in this somewhere.
I don't remember this.
Yeah.
Is that a cat?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I remember. Oh my god.
Wait, there's another one.
What?
There's one that's so funny. There's one that's just literally hashtags. Wait, hold on.
Really weird crowd here tonight.
Yeah. This is drink number 3 for me and Bridget.
Yeah. This is my God.
She's mad at me because I'm wearing her Skims extra small bodysuit. Yeah. That's what I fucking thought. But I told her that if I stretch it out with my voluptuous fat ass, I would buy her a new one. And it's not gonna happen. These things shrink. I own a lot of Skims. She's just, look at her. She's very upset. She's very upset.
I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I just don't like packages. I don't like paying for packages.
Yeah. How's that? It's good, huh? Yeah, it's good as hell. What's up, guys? It's Saturday. It's 2:30. I'm about to go over to Susie's house in the West Village, and I'm gonna try to take a subway there, and I'm gonna try not to get lost because I'm in Brooklyn right now and I don't know the uptown trains from Brooklyn very well. So I'm wearing just like
feeling something, no, I can't. My instincts trying to find it on the right track. Oh, wanna be just for the free act. Talk to him, he don't speak back. I can't lose, I'm in the third act. Don't think I'm not sorry. Hear me now, hey, this time I'm ready for it.
Anyway, I made it back to CC where she works, and I think we're gonna meet up with our other friend Jen, which will be lovely.
She's making Alfredo pasta.
Oh my god, she's making Alfredo pasta. It's a great way to end the trip.
I feel disgusting.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? Wait, sorry.
How are
You
you?
always look terrible.
I was just saying that we were about to see you.
Hello.
It's not fucking.
Our number one job is to make sure you get there safe. I hear all the time when people start getting crazy with me, I go, if you're uncomfortable on this flight, I can get you on the next one and that will be tomorrow. So you let me know what you want to do. And then, quiet. She's a cat. Oh my god, that fucking fish Shark Tale song is stuck in my head. Cece, come look at this thing. It's just disgusting. Don't spell anybody. Oh my god. Look up.
No, no one sees
cleaning it.
No one sees anything.
Okay.
It's just you. Look, you can see. It's literally just this.
Hey.
Like, because I was recording when Cece and Seb were doing a cooking show. Her and Seb cooking, how you cooking. Like,
Oh, literally. Also, I'm really messy.
the coziest vibes at Jen's right now.
She's gonna be like, she's a fucking freak.
No, there was literally like a 3-day period where me and Cece did not move.
Wow.
She's there, yeah, she's being made. She's getting there.
How does that smell? Stop, you're so cute.
Guys, if you don't know what this is, try it. If you like fish, put it on your salmon. I'm gonna put it on the edges of the grilled cheese so it gets toasty. Okay, you never put mayo on the outside of your grilled cheese? Have you?
No.
It toasts it better. Put it on. Put it in the butter. Give it a burn.
My flight is leaving at 5:45, so it's 10 o'clock and I'm just packing and then I'll be back in Atlanta.
Oh,
You could always visit me.
that's so true.